Wait to not sweat from that area again.
You know, the thing with this as well, it's not a vanity treatment. This isn't, you know, with a lot of people think that a lot of the treatments are vanity based. This isn't at all. I decided to get miraDry for this clinic because what I wanted to do is a kind of a cosmetic
FDA cleared treatment that can dramatically reduce underarm sweat. miraDry is a quick, permanent, non-invasive treatment that will eliminate these sweat glands under your arms. Like, they actually get in there and use thermal energy to eliminate those sweat glands. And once they're eliminated, that's it, they're gone, they don't grow back. Without sweat and without odor glands, you don't sweat, you don't smell bad. It's such an amazing treatment for guys and for girls who have issues with underarm sweat. Listen, I wouldn't be here telling you all of this if I didn't experience it myself first, all right? So I went in, I got the treatment done a few weeks ago. It took about an hour for both armpits, so it's pretty quick. They start by numbing the area, and then they use this really cool machine here to eliminate your sweat glands permanently. Now, I know that some of you might be thinking, Alex, don't you need sweat glands in your body? Well, there are 2 to 4 million sweat glands in your body, all right? And your underarms only have 2% of those, so it's not gonna affect your body's natural ability to cool itself down. And the treatment is clinically proven to have an average sweat reduction of 82%, which is a huge improvement. I've seen a huge difference. Now,